What's up, guys? Well, the big day is here. What's up, guys? Well, the big day is here. We are going to move the VW over to my place, and yeah, so I can start working on it. So the first thing to do is get this front area cleared, put some air in the tyres and roll her out here. So yeah, let's get on with it. Got the airline out, gonna put some air in the tyres and then we'll just get her brought forward here. Yeah, well, so far so good. Got everything clear and she's rolling quite nicely there. Thankfully, long before she was laid up, or during the process of being laid up, previous owner removed brake pads, shoes and everything from the rear, and so there's nothing to seize or get stuck. So she does roll quite nicely. You know, it's I can push her around the yard myself. Surprising how light these are. But you know, back in the day, everything was lighter. Oh, kind of got into a position there. Going to bring the transit round now, so the young whippersnapper can come and help the old girl out of a resting place. Well, here we go. Alright. Okay, that's good, not steering up now. Do it. She did. She pulled out the wall nice and down. Okay. Reset the tow rope and then we'll try again. Okay, let's try this again. That'll do it nicely. Yeah, she's been tucked down the side of the ERF there for quite a while now, so it's nice to see her out in the sunshine again. Okay, let's get this cleaned out and then we'll start loading stuff up that I want to take back with me. Oh, here's some of the parts from her. There's a roll seat or something they call it. It pulls into a bed anyway, I'm not entirely sure of the terminology. There's the engine down there sitting under the box of aircraft. Cushions and everything. There's a few more bits in here somewhere. But this whole seating system is actually, I mean, it looks a bit rough there, but it's actually in decent shape. You know, all the woodwork and everything on it, it's tatty, but it's, you know, it's solid. Obviously the interior is going to be completely retrimmed, so I don't care about any of the cushions of anything. I do because I want to keep them for the shape and everything, but I think it's actually no, the foam. I wonder if that's new foam or newish foam. Anyway, that's way down the road. I don't need to be even considering anything like that right now. But yeah, obviously this front section that'll probably get replaced. But no, overall, it isn't bad. But transmission is in here somewhere as well. Down there. Who knows? I don't know. We'll need to get the doors open and pull all of this out. So, but yeah, so far so good. Well, starting to load her up there. Obviously, taking a compressor home. And got stuff back there, paint and everything. We'll be coming back here tomorrow, later today. And the rest of the stuff that I need will go back in the car, so it's not too bad. So continuing to pack stuff into the camper van. Yeah, hopefully we'll get this entire corner out and into the van. So I'm surprised there is not a lot of new parts in here. I knew there was some, I didn't realise there was quite as many. But hey, you know, that's how it goes. Anyway, let's continue packing. Continuing to pack stuff up. Trying to resist the temptation of looking at all the bags and boxes. I'll do that once I've got it all home, because the plan is going to basically spread it all out on the driveway and inventory everything. So I do have an actual indication of what I've got and what I need. But it is exciting. It's like the Jeep. You know, it's something completely new. I've never done one of these before, and yeah, it's good. It's going to be a journey of you know, just exploration and learning new things. I'm always up for that when it comes to vehicles. I haven't, however, abandoned the Jeep or the Transit. You know, I normally don't like to have multiple projects running at the same time, because that's how you end up not doing any of them. But unfortunately, the year is getting on. I need to get this paint and body worked. It does need to be moved from here, and so yeah, we're taking a few weeks off just to get this sorted out, and then we'll take it from there. I will be back to sort the Jeep and the Transit out towards the end of probably the middle to the end of October. So also got a tractor to paint, so not sure whether I'll do a video on that or not, but yeah. Thinking of pulling things out. Yeah, there's an exhaust system there, but I'm not mistaken, these are zoom tubes. They will clean up nicely. All of this on here is just surface rust. It looks like they have been purchased and then never used, so hell yeah. I was going to buy a set of these anyway, so yeah. There you go. One of the aspects of picking up an abandoned project, you never know what you're going to find in them. And in one respect it's kind of sad, because somebody put a lot of time and effort into collecting this stuff. But unfortunately I see it all the time. I mean, the Jeep was heading in the same direction if it wasn't for taking some time out to get it all sorted out. And I know that it's not just an English thing. When I've been travelling around the States, I mean, there's been several times I've come across farm auctions and different things like that with some of the coolest projects, but obviously I don't live there, and so getting it all back here is a bit of a challenge. You know, that's why I'm more interested in bringing a, you know, running and driving vehicle, because it gets very, very expensive shipping parts across the pond. But no, it's fun in one respect and sad in the other. But yep, yeah, that's the way it is. Anyway, let's get on with it. It's amazing to think that when this is actually all put into place, there'll be space to move around in there. You know, it always amazes me, the packaging on this type of thing. But yeah, anyway, might give me some ideas for the transit as well. So who knows? And on there we go. Cushions here. That's everything out of here loaded into the van now. There are some other parts still here. The body trays, the under trays, all the body glass. I forget what else, there's something else. Oh, obviously the roof and everything, but yeah, this is the last bit. Get this loaded, get these cushions, and that's it. We'll get her on the back of the truck. There she is. That's it. She's all loaded. Yeah, first time leaving here in 12 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, next time I'm over, I'll that's it, she's down. Well, there she is. Got her home there. Need to cut the side of the driveway because it's getting a bit overgrown there, but and I'll move her across. But this is going to be our home for the next few months. What I'm going to do over the next few days is just take everything out and just actually go through everything, categorize it, you know, make a list of what I have, what's in good condition, what needs refurbishing, what needs replacing, and then I'm going to hit the bodywork and yeah, start getting her into some paint. So yeah, stay tuned. So this was just a quick video of pulling her out of her old spot and into a new one. So yeah, there you have it. So stay tuned to see what happens with it. Like I said previously, I will be back on the Jeep in about a month. Also be getting the transit sorted out then. So yeah, there you go. Like, subscribe, come back and see me sometime. Have a good one.